Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about my new favorite tool for creating. It is the xTool M110W. It was gifted to me. It's amazing. It's not the only reason I love it because it was a gift. I really enjoy it. If you're a creator and this has been on your radar, I'm just going to tell you a few things to encourage you, share my experience with it, and show you what I was able to create in the very first day that I had it. Well, that I opened it. It took me a while to open the box, but I'm going to share that with you and let's get started. Okay, so now are you ready to see it? There it is. That is the xTool M110W. Isn't it amazing? I'm going to show you some things I made with it, and you'll see why I love it so much. Okay, so setup was really simple. It came with just three things. Once I got it out of the box, and I'll have a quick video for you at the end, again, showing how fast it was, the unboxing. Once you get it out of the box, you're going to want it to attach this vent. It's like a dryer vent. It's similar to that, and it attaches to the back of the machine, and this is necessary to vent out smoke and any aroma from cutting wood. This is going to go into a window. Right now we're in my dining room, so I'm not showing you the window that it goes out of, but that's where I normally have it until I set it up in my craft room. Okay, so inside the xTool, you have this area here. This right there is your laser, well, your diode laser, and underneath it is also where you attach the item to cut, the blades to cut, similar to a Cricut again. And this is the area where you place things to be cut. Now, you are going to want to place them on top of these really cool, where'd they go? These metal prisms. Right there, you'll see them. And those go on the bottom, and you'll see that in the other video where I show how I make some things, and that's what you do. So here's what I've created so far with my machine. One of the first projects I made was this name tag for my husband. Super simple. It was maybe 30 seconds of engraving, and this was done. And then when it was done, I just went ahead and used markers to color it in. I thought that was super cute for him. It's a little off-center because, like I said, it was the first project I ever made, but it was super easy. The next thing I tackled, and I hate to even say tackle, were these adorable carrots. It was a free SVG file, and I got it from Creative Fabrica. You can get so many files on there, and I used the 3mm basswood. Now, the 3mm basswood is what they recommended. A piece came with my kit, with my original machine, and like nothing goes to waste. I'm still going to make use of these little spaces here that I have, but I went ahead, and after I cut out the carrots without glazing it, this is the glaze, I cut it out with that, and then I thought, ooh, I'm going to glaze what's left, and I'll show you why. But, so the carrots were in three sections. They were this main section here with the top, the little carrot itself, and then the top section. So once those were done, I painted the top and the carrot for two of them. I left one natural, glazed the bottom layer, and then I just glued those together, and they are so cute, and they were easy to make. They were less than 10 minutes from start to finish. As far as that goes, the painting was maybe 3 minutes. I was real quick with it. And then since I already had the wood glazed, I thought, oh, why don't I make some earrings? We were going out that night that I made this, and I thought, let me see if I have enough time to do that. And I think they look like little angel wings. Again, these were from Creative Fabrica, again, the little earrings. And I made them. The wood was already stained. I made them. And aren't those just the cutest? Like, seriously, how cute are those? In minutes, I made those. And if you do like to make earrings or jewelry, think how many you could get on one sheet of the basswood. It would be amazing. So now that you know how amazing and awesome the xTool is, if you've been on the fence about getting one, I can't recommend it highly enough. And I recommend that you get one. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Also, I recommend, if you're curious, to go ahead and join their Facebook group. I stalked that group for a few weeks before I finally opened my box, and I learned so much. People share settings, they share the things they're creating to really inspire you, and it is just absolutely amazing. So again, if you're interested in getting an xTool, if you've been wondering anything about it, I'm gonna have a link in the comments below where you can get one for yourself. Check it out. They have some great prices right now, and I would love if you use my link because I do get a commission, which is awesome. But if you don't and you just want to be happy and get one, just go for it because I want you happy too. So thanks so much for watching this. In the next few weeks, I'll have more videos with more items that I've made, and I hope that I've inspired you, and I hope that I've encouraged you to get your own xTool.